time looking at equations today. This title right here, 2.7, is the equations with decimals, all right? So, goal right here is to solve equations with decimals, all right? So, here's the situation. It says what here, kids? Right here. Rules are what?
Plus and minus 2.5 and 2.6.
To be working with numbers involving what?
Decimal.
Decimals. Okay. We're not going to be looking at whole numbers anymore. So let's just jump into this. Okay. This might be the shortest lesson I ever give you. Okay. Let's get started here. Let's write this down. Suppose I had this x plus 62.37. And again, what did I tell you? You're going to definitely want to have what? You're going to want to have your calculator. So let me load mine up here quickly. Let's say we're doing x plus 62.37 and let's go equals, I don't know, 92.118. Okay? So my question is this. If I wanted to isolate x or get x alone or solve for x, what do you have to do? You show of hands up there. What do you think you would do to both sides to solve that? Okay, say that one more time, Marjorie. I didn't catch that. Okay, subtract 62.37. To undo addition, we have to subtract. So let's do that quickly. Okay, and then again, calculator's going to help this out. So do I have a volunteer that would punch that up for me on the right? 92.118 minus 62.37.
I got you, brother.
All right. Wesley, let me know when you have it.
29.748.
Can someone confirm that? 29.748 you said there, Wesley?
Yeah.
Okay, so x is equal to 29.478, right? Did I say that right? 748. Okay, very good. Like this right here, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, let's take a look at another one. Example 2. Suppose we had maybe, I don't know, how about 43.17 equals x minus 2.6. Okay, process-wise, what are you going to do with both sides to solve this?
Add.
Add how much, Wesley?
2.6.
Add 2.6 to both sides. Very good. Add 2.6. Okay. Now, if I was adding and subtracting, if I told you not to use a calculator, what would I tell you to line up for the addition and subtraction? What would you have to line up? Decimal points, okay? And if you're not, that's fine, but I think I can beat you on this one here mentally. 45.77 is what you're going to get. That's a funny looking mark. You get 45.77 equals x there, okay? All right, let's see if I can think of some good examples for 3 and 4. I'll have you try some. We'll make sure we're okay with this, and then I'm going to turn you loose here today. Let me make some room here quickly. All right, number 3. Let's go 1.44x equals... Oh gosh, how about negative 5.76? Okay, again, decimals in there, so it's hard to think about this mentally, but again, the process should be ingrained in your brain right now. In order to solve this, what are you going to do, kids? Divide by 1.44. Okay. Very good. Help me, kids. I have no idea.
I got you, brother.
X equal negative 4. Okay? Are we cool with this so far? Are the decimals throwing you for a loop at all? Yes or no? Give me some sort of sign there's something going on up here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what was the solution again, Marjorie?
-4.
X equal negative 4. Okay? All right. Let's talk this last example. Let's go Oh, I don't know. How about x divided by negative 2.12 equals positive 1.7? All right, so give me a show of hands on this. Someone I haven't heard from yet this morning. How about the process for solving this? Jonah, talk to me, bud.
Multiply 2.12 negative 2.12 by negative 2.12.
Okay, so we're going to you're saying multiply both sides by negative 2.12? Okay, so I'll do that. Over here on the left, we'll multiply by negative 2.12. Jonah, what are these two values going to do to each other right here on the left?
Cancel.
They're going to cancel.
You don't have a side.
So I'm going to multiply this by what value?
2.
Okay, and when I do this, I'll make sure that you guys agree. I'm going to go 1.7 times negative 2.12, and I end up with negative 3.604. How many agree with that?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Brother, you're failing me here. What's going on here? You're supposed to have me, brother.
Right.
Okay, we're good. Okay, I'll start to feel like Statue of Liberty there. All right, here we go. Next page. I think the next page is some stuff for you to try. So, on your own. I want you to take about a minute or two. I want you to see if you can get this one right here. What operation is really going on right there? Division. I want you guys to take a minute or two. Do those 4 problems on your own. Make sure you guys agree. If you disagree, talk about what it is you disagree there with. But make sure you guys all come to an agreement on those. Show of hands. Who needs more time with those right now? All right. How about a volunteer talking to number 1? All right, Dawson. I'm listening.
You're going to divide 4.8 by 4.8.
Okay.
And then divide 4.8 by 96. And you're going to get 20. There she goes.
X equal 20. How many had x equal 20 there? Excellent. Okay, somebody different. Next one, top right. X divided by 0.8 equals 44. So take that, times it by 0.8. So I'm going to multiply by 0.8 on the right and the left. Wesley, what'd you get for an answer there?
35.2.
35.2. I agree. How many had 35.2 for that one? Excellent. Next one, a little trickier. Who wants this one? Roll, Marjorie.
You add 7.32 to both sides, and F equals 23.3.
Okay, we have to be careful on this. What kind of 15.98 did you?
Oh,
Oh, it's a negative one there. So let's punch that in, okay?
Negative 8.66.
Okay, let's check and see if that's right. We'll go 15.98, which is what kind of 15.98 to begin with?
Oh my gosh.
Negative.
Negative, and then add how much?
Positive 7.4.
All right, so what do we end up with there, kiddo?
Negative.
So Marjorie, it looks like just a sign there you didn't see. Is that right?
Yeah.
Are you okay with that now? All right, very good. So I agree. F equals negative 8.66. Very good. All right, last one. Who wants this last one? It should be very easy. Go ahead, Chase.
Minus 8.7
Good?
outside and outside. And it's 5.5.
Very good, guys. Very good. Questions? Is this anything different than what you've been doing?
No,
Absolutely not. They're just throwing what in there now?
more decimal.
Throwing some decimals in there. Okay, I'm going to shut this down quickly.